Discord is giving amazing gifts for PUBG. All what you need to do, just like and subscribe on my channel and watch this video. Okay guys, today when you update your Discord like me on your PC or mobile, click right click and check for updates. When you do a new update, you will see when you join a new call this promoted gift. You will see it here, accept quest. All what you need to do, just go on this gear and go here on gift inventory and you will see you can get this amazing stuff in your PUBG game. All what you need to do, just stream PUBG to friend for 50 minutes in your call. Click here accept quest and get these free rewards from Discord. You also have this quest to get free bundle in this game. And that's it all guys for this video, how to get amazing rewards from Discord in PUBG game. I see you in the next video and join to our Discord. Bye guys.